Good morning. This is your Easy Forex Daily Outlook for Monday, the 22nd of July. The euro continues to rise against the US dollar and currently trades around 131.55. The single currency has managed to maintain its stance in the market despite the threats faced during the past few weeks. It looks like the pair is driving towards a resistance at 132.00. The US dollar dropped more than 100 pips against the Japan yen. The yen strengthened against its US peer after the Japanese elections during the weekend. We are expecting to see a second round of Abenomics, since Abe has a majority of seats in the upper house and it would be easier to pass new reforms. Looking at equities, the US 500 advanced for the fourth week as US corporate companies reported higher earnings since the beginning of the 2008 crisis. As a result, we are expecting to see the index break into higher highs. Moving on to commodities, WTI oil reached a new high at $108.90 per barrel. As the crude oil continues to rally, market participants are expecting to see energy prices move above $110 per barrel. Now, let's have a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-US dollar with a pivot point of 131.75 has a preference to sell it at 131.75 as well. USD JPY has a pivot point of 145 with a preference to short sell it at the same rate. Aussie US dollar is trading at 90.9120 with a preference to long at the same rate. Cable or GBP USD has a pivot point of 152.30 with a preference to buy at the same rate. USD CAD has a pivot point of 1.0395 with a preference to short sell it as well. Looking at commodities and indices, oil has a pivot point of $107.10 with a preference to buy it at the same rate. Gold has a pivot point of $1,298 with a preference to long sell. Silver has a pivot point of $19.55 with a preference to short it. The US 500 has a pivot point of 1,675 with a preference to buy as well. UK 100 pivot point 64.65 with a preference to buy at the same rate. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit easy-forex.com. Now, watch out for these market movers. At 10 GMT, we have U.S. existing home sales expected to come in at 5.27 million. And our mover and shaker for the day is gold. Gold skyrocketed to a monthly high from $12.95 all the way up to $13.23 US dollars an ounce. The precious metal rose on speculation that the U.S. Federal Reserve may not taper monetary stimulus sooner than expected. U.S. home sales released today, due at 10 GMT, may act as a catalyst and help the metal towards higher highs. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Nima Siar from Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a fantastic day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.